and welcome to my channel Vedas. So today here we have Pooja Narendra, who had played for India, and she's from Bangalore. So hi Pooja.
Hello.
Yeah. So please tell us about yourself.
Basically, I am from Bangalore and I'm a national volleyball player. And presently, I'm into the Karnataka's women's team, senior women's team, representing senior women's team. And my discipline is volleyball. And I have a family of four, that is nuclear family. And yeah, my mom, dad, and my sibling. And I stay at Bangalore presently, doing my practice. And yeah, presently that's all is my bio.
Okay, that's good. So my next question to you would be, which strength do you have, which you believe, which makes you different from the other athletes?
Sorry, pardon, I didn't hear.
Which strength do you have, which you believe, which makes you different from other athletes?
Actually, I believe I'm very positive. Mainly, I'm very positive and I'm like that happy person and makes people happy a lot. I'm very unique according to me. I don't compare players to me or me to others because it's completely a total different pattern. So it's like Pooja is like unique. She can be strongest to the strongest ever. She can never be like down or or misguiding herself saying, Pooja, you can never do this, or Pooja, you have to get scared for the next match. No, she is like very tough person who guides others as well, saying, you must do this, you must be strong for the next match. That is like very much a different thing in my situation.
Yeah, that's great. So it's unique Pooja, we can say.
Yeah, very much.
So what have you learned about teamwork from your past experiences of your,
Actually, when I speak about teamwork, that's really important because my discipline is completely about team. There is no individual.
yeah,
When it comes to a team, we are playing like seven of them inside. Like one is for the changeover, but then
yeah,
it's too important for a team to be in unity, and there is a lot of sacrifices, and there is lot of understanding between each and one of us when we are playing inside.
correct.
And I truly believe when we are together, no one can just come and tell something and a team can get apart. Because
Yeah,
girls teams are like the most, I'll tell you, misguidable. In my situation, I've seen a lot of them going through this, and girls are like, you can be easily manipulated also, saying, see, she's playing better than you, or she's playing, she's going to be selected for the next level, what about you, and things like that. But see, teamwork is really important. There is no individuality in teamwork.
yeah, that's correct.
Each and everyone should play when it comes to team, and they should give 100% performance, then only a team can win. That is teamwork according to me.
Great. Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I wanted to ask, like, what was the impact of COVID-19 in your daily routine? Like, how did it affect you or something?
Yeah, actually, truly a very good question from your side, because sports
Yeah,
persons have gone through a lot of, what to tell, no practice, no, self practices with team. There is nothing like that went well, because there was a lot of cases in COVID saying this could happen when you go out, or this can happen with you. So don't just step out of the house. That is what the intimation just came to us when we were at Bangalore, because there was a lot of COVID cases going on, and deaths also were like too high.
yeah,
I'm sorry. So this is what happened, and I was like, what to do? Our teammates were like, we started individual practice at home, and we started practicing at home, like own fitness, and gym workouts were like the dumbbells which we had and terra bands which we had at home. So we started doing that. But then that wasn't like complete workout for us, because see, we go to the ground, we play with the ball. That is how we play. We cannot just
correct.
come and do at home. That is not the how it goes. And it was like, players, we started getting fear, like what could happen to us with, where, because normal persons are like, they don't have immunity and stuff like
Correct.
that. the death rate coming like shit. It became totally mesmerizing, and we were like, we are sports persons. What
Yeah.
could impact on us? Totally, we were blank. We couldn't go like, what could happen? That is what happened at COVID times with us.
Yeah, in Bangalore also there were high rise in cases we could hear.
Yeah, too much, because the death rates all of a sudden it started like 200, 300 to 500
Correct.
thousands, and we couldn't know, like, this is life. Seriously, this is life. If we were in sports persons, we didn't have proper immunity, we didn't have proper fitness,
Yeah,
self
correct.
practice and all that. We were weak. That is what I thought. Self practice is really important. Even not like sports person, but individual person should maintain his own fitness,
Correct.
his or her own fitness. Then only a person can build a proper body and a proper health. That is
Yeah.
what I believe.
So Pooja, now this is a rapid fire round, which is very interesting, and I have it for
Okay.
you. So you just
Yeah,
have to be very quick in it.
sure. Done.
So my first question is, if not volleyball, where do you see yourself?
Entrepreneur.
Wow,
Because I'm a BBA graduate, so I would see that in me. Yeah.
great. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
I thought it might be some another sport or something. But yeah,
No,
that's
no,
what.
entrepreneur. Entrepreneur.
Who is your inspiration?
My dad.
Okay. Spiking or blocking the ball? What you like the most?
Both.
Okay. Club you would like to play for?
Club I would like to play for is Railways.
Okay. So my next question is spiking the ball from back line or ahead of the attack line? Like where, what do you
Ahead
like?
of the attack line. Ahead of the attack line. That is like lioness, I'll tell you.
Yeah, that's your
That is the
position.
most.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is,
yeah, that's my position. Yeah.
I can get that. Okay. And any other position which you are comfortable to play at would be?
Mine would be setter, all rounder, blocker, attacker. Like these four are
Okay.
my everything. I play everything.
Okay, so you are all rounded.
Yeah, all rounder. So 4 positions is like good.
Wow. So that was great. So my last question is, what are your future plans and goals? And what message would you like to give to the viewers and your followers?
The main thing I would tell is my goal is to become a very good player and work on my own mistakes. I wouldn't tell my future goals would be this, I would get a job and then get a place. But then no, I am dreaming something different. I
Okay.
wouldn't tell it because when I do it, I would surely share it. That
I
is my
can see
own
those
agenda now.
trophies and medals behind you. So yeah, you already
Yeah,
are a great player.
yeah, actually, yeah, I have my house is kind of a bit small and we didn't have place to keep. So we had to get this done, and I still have it in my room.
No, this
And
is impressive.
yeah, I still have it in my room because there is no place to keep. I have so many trophies and medals at home. So
Okay.
that's the thing. And I would give a best suggestion to my viewers and followers, which you asked for actually,
Yeah.
is where the first thing is we shouldn't praise ourselves. Second is we need to work very hard, extremely hard.
Correct.
People think that we sit here and that things comes like we are very lucky to have some stuff. No, I have prayed for this. I've dedicated, I've sacrificed a lot of things. I've gotten here. That's
Yeah.
not like too easy for me, right? People say, Pooja, you're very lucky you've gotten. No, bro, I really am not lucky at all in this thing. Yeah, things don't come easy. You have to work hard. You need to sweat. You need to pour blood in the court. That is how you get into volleyball, and that is how you become a player. And maintaining your fitness is like very important. Daily, people have to be like, I need to do this, and don't just get forced by others saying go to practice or go to do your fitness or something.
Yeah.
You need to have your own interest. That is the best thing I would tell you, if that's the suggestion
Yeah,
for my followers and stuff.
that
Yeah,
was a great suggestion, Pooja.
yeah.
Yeah. And I wish to see you soon at Mumbai. You had mentioned it earlier for the railways. You were supposed to come. So yeah,
Yeah.
for that as well.
Hopefully.
So yeah.
Yeah, hopefully, yeah.
Thank you so much, Pooja, for giving us your time. It was
Thank you so much for being the best mentor, actually, for asking such good questions. And you're supporting a lot of players like this, and you're coming up with a very good platform. And trust me, some people are like somewhere hidden. You're getting them out. You're giving them best opportunity. I
that's
would
the
thank you
motto
first.
of this.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pooja.
Thank you.